Hello everyone, peace, much love. In today's video I'm going to talk about the dental program when you're on ODSP and the things that you can get done on that dental program. And that is basic needs such as fillings, one cleaning a year, extractions, x-rays, checkups, those kinds of things, the very basic. Now, some ODSP recipients could qualify for a program that's called the Dental Special Care Plan. Now, if you believe you qualify for that, talk to your dentist, because they have to fill out the papers and send them in to the ODSP person that will take care of that. So yes, talk to your dentist, the ODSP Dental Plan Administrator. Now, some of the things that the dental care plan covers is recall examinations, polishing, scaling / root planing, deep cleaning, fluoride treatments, and bruxism applications, dental guards that protect your teeth from grinding. To be eligible for the enhanced coverage, which the Dental Special Care Plan, an ODSP recipient's disability prescribed medications or treatments must affect their oral health, which means, to break it down, your medications that you're on for your disability, and that must affect your mouth, the health of your mouth. This includes some people with a developmental disability. So talk to your worker, talk to your dentist, because it's good to know and it's good to get that information. I don't have children. I don't know much about the Healthy Smiles and the children's dental, but I can look into that and make a separate video on the children's Healthy Smiles and dentistry. So that's it for now. Peace, much love, bye-bye.